arbitrationagreements.org. Today, I want to speak to you about a topic that touches the lives of many, often during the most trying of times. Divorce. While the word itself may evoke a range of emotions, there are methods that aim to simplify and humanize the process. One such method is the alternative dispute resolution, commonly known as Divorce ADR. But what exactly is a divorce agreement in this context? A divorce agreement in ADR is a legally binding document crafted collaboratively by both parties with the assistance of a neutral third party. This document outlines the terms and conditions both parties have agreed upon, ranging from property division to child custody and more. Now, here are a few statistics to shed light on the effectiveness and appeal of ADR. 4 out of 5 couples that chose ADR over litigation found it to be more satisfying. The average time to complete a divorce through ADR is about 1/3 that of traditional litigation. Costs are, on average, 50 to 70% less in ADR compared to going through a courtroom battle. These numbers speak volumes about why so many opt for ADR. But beyond statistics, let's delve into some inherent advantages. Confidentiality. Unlike open court proceedings, everything discussed in ADR remains confidential. Control. Both parties have a say in the outcome, as opposed to leaving the decision in the hands of a judge. Flexibility. Meeting times and locations can be more accommodating to personal schedules. Less adversarial. The process fosters communication and understanding rather than fueling animosity. Remember, even in times of great difficulty, there are avenues that prioritize understanding and compassion. For help drafting a divorce agreement, head to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about Divorce ADR? Does it sound like a potential alternative to court litigation? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.